Far to the north, the Hula Valley comes alive as one of the region's most important wetlands and a sanctuary for wildlife. Every year, thousands upon thousands of birds migrate here, filling the skies in a breathtaking display of movement and sound. Cranes, pelicans, storks, and countless smaller species rest in the valley's calm waters before continuing their journeys across continents. For visitors, the Hula Valley offers a glimpse into a natural wonder where life flourishes in harmony, a reminder that even in a land often scarred by conflict, the rhythms of creation continue undisturbed.